So today's topic is really close to heart: education, growth, and the mindset we need to adopt as we move forward in life. Would you agree that education isn't just about earning a degree, but about shaping our mindset and the way we approach the world?
Absolutely. It's more than just hitting milestones like getting a degree. Education should cultivate a deeper sense of responsibility. The mindset we develop during our studies shapes how we see the world and how we contribute to society. What do you think is the most important shift young people need to make in their approach to learning?
I think the key shift is understanding that learning doesn't stop once you leave the classroom. Whether it's continuing into grad school or diving into the workforce, the goal isn't just to get a job or earn money. It's about contributing to the greater good and understanding that our education is built on the work and sacrifices of those who came before us.
That's such an important point. Many young people today, especially those just starting out, think of education solely as a means to make money or secure a job. But it's much bigger than that. Our education is supported by society, by taxpayers, by workers, whose labor allows us to have the opportunity to study. It's important for students to remember this and think about how they'll contribute back to society.
Exactly. The mindset should be, I'm not here just for my personal gain, but to prepare myself to serve others. It's about seeing the bigger picture. That's what makes the difference between someone who merely has a job and someone who's truly contributing to the progress of their community or even the world.
I love that perspective. And it ties into something you said earlier. Being a true scholar isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's about applying that knowledge for the betterment of society. It's about using what you learn to serve a greater purpose. We can't lose sight of that.
Yes, because the goal should be to grow beyond personal success. What I mean is, once you've learned and absorbed knowledge, it should be used to create positive change. If we keep thinking only about ourselves, about earning a salary or living a comfortable life, then we fall short of what education is truly meant to achieve. We need to be thinking about what we can give back.
That's so powerful. It's a mentality shift. And I think when people start with that in their minds, they can achieve much more than just financial success. They become leaders, they inspire change, and they set an example for others. But the key is to keep learning and evolving.
Absolutely. And that's why the importance of continuing education, even after university, can't be overstated. Learning doesn't end just because you graduate. Whether it's through advanced studies or learning on the job, that continual development is what turns knowledge into wisdom and action.
And this is where the mindset of always be learning really takes root. Even when we step into the workforce, it's not the end of our education, it's just the beginning. We have to be ready to apply what we've learned in a practical way and keep growing. That's how real change happens.
It's also why younger generations need to stop thinking that they've made it once they get a degree or a job. That's not the finish line. True success is in the constant pursuit of bettering ourselves and contributing to the world around us.
And that's where the responsibility lies. If we're not mindful of the sacrifices that have been made for us to have these opportunities, like the efforts of everyday workers or the societal systems that support education, we'll lose sight of the bigger purpose. The future depends on how we use our knowledge for the greater good.
Exactly. And thinking like this can help avoid a situation where people become stagnant or stop learning. Life is dynamic, and our mindset should reflect that. A true scholar sees every day as an opportunity to learn and grow, to keep contributing to society in meaningful ways.
It all starts with the right mindset. That's the foundation. Once that's in place, everything else falls into place too. The learning becomes easier, and the purpose behind it becomes clearer. It's about understanding that you're not just learning for yourself, but for the betterment of everyone.
In the end, it's a journey, and every step of that journey has meaning. Whether you're studying, working, or leading others. It's all part of a bigger process of growth, contribution, and transformation.
Exactly. And as we wrap up today's episode, let's leave our listeners with something to think about. What are you learning for? Is it just about personal gain? Or are you thinking about how your knowledge can benefit others? That's the key to truly making a difference in the world.
Well said. And with that, we hope you all take this to heart. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember that education is about so much more than just securing a job. It's about creating a better future for everyone.